he's going to go ahead and tell you all about his tech pick for 2022, which is right back here.
This is my pet pick for the year. It's a 2020 Road King. I picked this bike because I like the sleek lines of it, all the black add-on features. These bars are just awesome. They're a 2-inch bar. Other than that, everything's really uniform on the bike, and it's nice to look at. And some of the cool features are they got a lot of LED lights that are integrated into the bike. The rear fascia holds the blinkers, and up here with the bars, they got the turn signals, so they're small and bolt right onto the controls. All the lines are hidden inside of the bars, so you don't see any of the hydraulic lines. And they have a adaptive headlight with this nice eyebrow cover. Other than that, it's just a very nice looking bike.